So today in this video we're going to be taking apart this Xbox One controller. The reason I'm going to do it is just to be able to clean it. I'm not going to do that in this video. I'm just going to show you how to take it apart. But that's why you want to take it apart, maybe to clean it, maybe to replace the joystick, you know what I mean, the trigger, or anything inside. So the first thing is first, what we're going to be using is a butter knife to pry these things open, the grips. And then you're going to need a screwdriver with a Torx bit number 8. So I don't know if you can see that. It's the star-shaped screwdriver though. You'll see once we get into it. So first things first, this is your controller. Boom. You're going to open up the back. And at the back here there's a sticker, right? I've already removed that sticker, but this is the sticker in question. And usually it's sitting like that at the back. So you need to remove the sticker in order to get the screw that's behind the sticker right there. There's one Torx screw, and then there's one up here on the bottom here, and then one up here and on the bottom here. So it's super easy to take it apart if you have a butter knife and a screwdriver. So what I'm going to do is, if you can see the grip part at the back here, I'm going to start going along here like with the butter knife and just prying it out. I don't know if you guys can see perfectly, but this is probably the hardest part to take the controller apart, at least for me. So just go along, pry it till it starts clicking and opening a bit. And once you've got it far enough, as you can see, it's pretty loose. So I'm just going to take my fingers there along and pop it open. You see that? So that's one grip that we're going to pop off right there. Now the other one, I'm going to do the same thing along the side here. You can also go from this side, to be honest, but I find it easier if I go through this side. So personal preference. I'm going to do the same thing, put it in, pop it out, slide it along a little bit, and pop it out. Boom. You can see that came loose again. So I'm going to take my fingers and pop it open. Don't worry about breaking it. You're going to see you didn't cause like no damage or anything. It's fine. So once you got that out, you're ready to open up the controller. So as you can see, there's two screws, one there, one in the middle where we removed the sticker, and there's one down there and then one down there. So for this, you're going to take your Torx screw and you're going to go into the middle and obviously just unscrew it. I wish I had a better cam setup. I apologize, I don't. So that's one screw. I got the other one loose, but there we go. Didn't know when to fall out. That one seems like it's stripped. So we'll go down here. Get that. And just go along with your Torx screw, get all 5 screws, and unloosen it. Unloosen it, unloosen it. Okay, I think I've got it loose. So once you've got them like unscrewed, simply just open up the back like so. Hold on, I didn't take out that screw. 1 millisecond. There we go. So now that I've got them unscrewed, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift the back up. If you can see, just lift it off gently. You don't have to worry about too much. What the hell's going on? Oh, that screw, buddy. Sorry. I did not take it apart. Very good. There we go. Okay, so once you got all 5 of them, it comes off the back like that. As you can see, that's the back part of it. That's the back of the controller. The only thing I would be careful about is those little wires there where the motors are. And then from the front, you can literally just go like this and lift the faceplate off, and you've got the controller open. More or less, that's pretty much it, how you open it. You could go a step further, like here where the sync button is. As you can see here, there's two little like clips, so you can lift them up, pop it open, and then yank that out in case you want to like replace the sync button or the joysticks. I mean, the triggers up here, there's also a little thing there. I'm not doing that in this video because the first time I did it, it was a pain in the ass to get that middle piece back in. So that's pretty much how you get it open. You can go like this, pull off the joysticks in case you want to replace that, look around, clean it, you know what I mean. But if you do want to replace that sync button, for example, or these up here, triggers, you're going to have to remove this top part, which I'm not doing in the video because it's a pain in the ass to get back for me. So that's pretty much how you open up the controller. And I guess I could put it back real quick. So we'll put that there. We'll put our other joystick thingy on there. Damn. Like I said, I wish I had a better angle so you guys could see it, or a better camera, but I'm doing this solo right now. So we got those back in. Now what I'm going to do is just put this faceplate on top. So it sits like that. And then this part at the back, I'm going to slide over, try to align it with the screws. And before I start screwing in, sometimes these, you see this one's clicking in, but this one's not. So you just got to nudge it a bit. Make sure it sits nice. There you go. So then the back should look like that. And then you just basically screw it back in like how we took it apart. So I'll start off with the middle screw. Get that bad boy in the middle there. Screw it in. And screw in this bad boy. Like, it's super easy to take apart. Like I said, all you need is a butter knife and a T8. That's the bit you need, Torx 8. And once you take it apart like I did, like you can, as you saw, you can take the joystick, I mean the thumbstick apart, like if your dog chewed it up or something, to replace it. You can clean it. As far as the sync button, I did not do that, as you saw, because I wasn't trying to make this into like a hour-long video, trying to put that piece back together. But yeah, once you get the screws back in, I have one more. We're just gonna put these side grips on, and then you're good to go. So screwing it in, we got all 5. Before you screw it in, you should probably make sure, like I said, check all that works. So this clicks in, this clicks in, this clicks in, that clicks in, this works, that button clicks in, like everything's fine. And just to finish it off, you're gonna get your little grips, put them like this, line them up, as you can see. And once they're lined up, just simply push in till you hear it click in. Make sure it's clicked in all the way around on both sides. And then get the other one, do the same thing. Line it up, as you can see, like that. And then simply just push down. Put your thing on. You know, obviously put your batteries back in, then you put this on, and boom! In under 10 minutes, I showed you how to take it apart, put it back together, minus the top part. I mean, once you take it apart, you saw what it is. You just clip it up, pop it up, and you move it out, and then you got to put it back on. But for me, I had trouble getting this piece back on when I originally did it, because supposedly you can do it like where the whole thing comes off, but for me it didn't. Only that piece came off, the middle piece, so I had to like perfectly align it in between these R1, L1 things, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's how you take it apart, that's how you put it back together. It's super easy. Hope that helps you guys out. If you have any questions, let me know, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, bye.